I have seen so many people comment. They are complaining that they are engaging for other people video and those people are not engaging back. Let me advise you, if you are a small content creator, if you know say you are a small content creator and you need your account to be visible and you need activities in your account, you don't need to wait for those people that you commented on their video to come and comment back. No, if they are commenting back, Facebook will know that you are doing commenting to comment, like follow to follow. That is not good for your account. You are doing it for your account, not for the person you are commenting on in account. You are doing it for your own good. Comment on people post because you want to make your account visible. Don't expect those people that you comment on their post to come and comment back. No, that will spoil your account. Did you know that will spoil your account? So if all those people want to comment your account, if they see your video for their FYP, they can comment on your account, not them coming to your account through your comment to come and comment on your own. That is not working that way. It is not good. Don't expect that. If you are a new content creator, this is what you should do. Comment on people posts without not expecting them to comment back. And also upload daily. Make sure you upload video daily. Upload maybe short video or long video, but upload short more so that you will get that engagement and more followers on your account. When you upload daily and engage daily on people video, you will see the way your account will grow. I have tested it. That is why I'm telling you on this video. Truly, this is how you will grow your account. This is making it 3 pages I have on this internet. As you can see, this is the third one that I'm growing. So the rest of my accounts, I will bring it here. All those accounts, I'm doing cooking video there. That is why it is not here, guys. So that is how you grow your accounts. You have to engage on people video. Don't expect them to engage back to you. Your comment, your video you uploaded will bring your engagement. Let the video you uploaded on your video, on your channel or on your Facebook, bring your engagement. Don't go and engage for another person video and you expect that person to click your comment to come to your page to engage. That is not how it works. That will damage your account. So if you are among of people that is complaining, they are not engaging back, if you engage on their own, stop it. If you don't want to spoil your account, all you just need to do is just for you to watch other people video, watch their video because you know what you are looking for, not what those people are looking for. What you are looking for, because you want to grow your account, you have to serious with your account by growing your page by yourself, uploading daily and engaging for other people video. Meanwhile, don't spam watch video. If you want to watch video, watch it properly, little by little. You can watch up to 10 video in a day, it's okay, but don't do it at once. When you watch it, comment, like from the beginning to the end. Before watching it, make sure you click on the video so that it will open, not just to watch the video like that. I know what I'm telling you. If you want to grow your channel, take this advice that I'm telling you. Ciao, guys. See you on my next video.